Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make these spicy plantain chips. So if you are interested, let's go and make this together. So here are the plantains that I'm going to be using. I have some ripe plantains and some unripe plantains. Now I'm going to be washing my plantain. So guys, make sure you wash yours properly. Now I'm going to be peeling my plantain. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch the video and you are in the right channel, because in this channel we make a lot of delicious recipes. We make African recipes, Italian recipes. So guys, if you want to be part of this wonderful family, just hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell to all, so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos that I'm going to be uploading in my channel. Thank you so much. So now I've finished peeling my plantains. I'm going to be slicing them. I'm just going to be using this my cutter, because this cutter just gives me that perfect size of plantain that I want. Because if your plantain is too fat, your plantain will soak the oil. So you just have to slice it so tiny so that you have that nice and crunchy plantain chips. So here is my ripe sliced plantain. Now I'm going to be adding some chili pepper, because I want mine to be very spicy. So if you know you don't like pepper, you can skip the pepper, just add only salt. So I'm adding some salt. I'm just going to shake everything, because I want the pepper and the salt to mix with the plantain properly. I'll be adding more pepper, but if you know you don't like pepper guys, you can just skip that pepper. But me, I love pepper so much. And my sliced unripe plantain, I'm going to be adding salt, nothing else, just only salt. I'm just going to shake it and mix it properly. Now I'm going to be frying the plantain chips. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and also you need to allow the oil to hot enough so that your plantain chips will not soak the oil. You need to put your plantain separately so that the plantain will not stick together, most especially the ripe one. You need to put your plantain chips on your kitchen napkin. That will help to absorb the excess oil in your plantain chips. So here is the end result of our plantain chips guys. I'm going to be adding more chili pepper, but guys, I told you before, if you don't like chili pepper, you can just skip that place. So now, if you've watched to this moment, thank you so much. I so much appreciate, guys. Thank you. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and set it to all. In that way, you never miss any of my videos. And give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys. Ciao.